For today's nail art, we are going to be doing some double stamping. I'm starting off with my nails polished Blue-Ming from Color Club, and I'm going to apply a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. I'm going to be using Pueen Stamping Plate 50, and the main idea for the first layer is to get a white heart in the lower corner of my nail. For the next layer, I want to try to stamp that Super from Supermodel right over top of the heart. And the color I'm using is Mrs. Claus from Mundo de Unas. Now remove the liquid latex, and I'm going to finish with a matte top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.